probably the most effective, probably the most obvious way to burn body fat is to Yo, what's up? We back with another video, and today we are going over 5 ways to help burn body fat. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Calorie deficit is the only way to burn body fat, period. I agree, I know this. These 5 things are going to either directly put you in a calorie deficit or help put you in a calorie deficit. For the people who do not know, you need to be in a calorie deficit to lose body fat. So, with that being said, let's go over the 5 things that I'd like to talk about that will definitely help you burn body fat. But before I begin, 70% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, so go hit subscribe and like the video before we begin. I'm waiting, like, come on. Thank you. Alright, so number 1, eat more protein. Protein actually has the highest thermic effect of food, which means you are going to burn off more calories through digestion than, say, if you ate carbs or fat. Other than that, it's also the most satiating macronutrient, so you're going to be a lot more full after eating protein as opposed to, once again, carbs or fat. And eating sugary carbs is going to most likely make you more hungry, so I'm not saying to avoid carbs, but having a higher protein diet is definitely going to keep you more satiated and less likely to eat more and binge. Number 2, drink more water. Water will actually fill up your stomach more, stretching the stomach out, signaling to the brain that you are full. This is known as like an appetite suppression effect. So your brain is getting signals that it's full because of so much water in your stomach that you're not going to eat. On the other end of the spectrum though, if you are dehydrated, you are going to get a lot of signals telling your brain that you are hungry because your stomach is less full and you aren't hydrated. But we all know water can get very boring to drink all the time, especially in large quantities. So what I found works is that flavoring my water with 0 sugar, 0 calorie drink mixes. And because I flavor my water, I drink so much more and I actually enjoy the taste of it. So I drink 2 gallons a day, and if I was just drinking regular water, there's no way that I would drink 2 gallons a day. So to flavor my water, I actually use Fish and Energy. I would highly recommend them. They actually sent me this, and it comes with 4 cartridges. It's like their body fuel kit. It's their most popular item, I would say. You get the kit, comes with the bottle, 4 cartridges, a red one, a blue one, a purple one, and an orange one, and they're fire. So I drink 2 gallons literally thanks to this. I wasn't drinking that much before, probably less than a gallon or so. It was like hard to get a gallon in when I was just drinking regular water, but now I have this, and it has caffeine in it as well as a bunch of antioxidants and nutrients, so you're staying healthy while drinking just water, and you're gonna drink more because it tastes amazing. And yeah, so if anyone out there is struggling to get their water in, you can use my code BENSAG10. I wouldn't be recommending them if I genuinely didn't support this. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this. I'm helping you out here, honestly. You're gonna drink more water and it's gonna help you. If you're trying to get shredded, if you're trying to lose weight, it's going to help you, I promise. But like I said before, increasing your water intake is going to decrease your hunger levels, stretch the stomach, signaling the brain that you are full and you are not going to be hungry. So moving on to number 3, eat more fiber. Fiber also has a higher thermic effect of food, so you're going to be burning off calories while digesting it, as opposed to eating, like I said before, more carbs and fat. Fiber is in mostly things such as fruits and vegetables, so make sure you're getting a lot of fruits and vegetables in. This is going to keep you fuller, and you're going to have less hunger signals to eat. All of these things are helping you put yourself in a calorie deficit to lose fat, to lose weight, whatever you're trying to do. Yeah. Other than just having a higher thermic effect, you're also going to be more satiated after eating stuff like fruits and vegetables, as opposed to, like I said before, more sugary carbs or higher fat foods. You're going to be more satiated and less likely to binge or eat more. The only thing with fiber is the more you eat it, the more you're going to fart, so be careful. And moving on to number 4, probably the most obvious way to burn body fat is to decrease calorie intake. Different from all of these other things, decreasing your calorie intake will just directly put you in a calorie deficit and you'll lose weight. However, if you just decrease your calorie intake, but then you become more sedentary than you otherwise would, or in other words, you decrease your NEAT, which is your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, if that goes down, then you are going to go back to maintaining your weight. So to put it in simpler terms, let's say someone is eating 25 calories a day. They decrease that number to 2,000 calories. They're in a 500 calorie deficit. But let's say at 2,500 calories, when they were maintaining their weight, they were working a high maintenance job. When they decrease their calorie intake to 2,000, they're going to be burning off that same amount as long as they are working. But let's say they quit their job and then they work from home and they are very sedentary. They might not realize it, but they were burning off, let's say, 500 calories at their job. Now they're eating 2,000 calories, but they're sedentary, so they're not losing any weight. And they're wondering why. It's all calories in, calories out. You guys need to understand that. You can decrease your calorie intake, but if you also decrease calorie expenditure, you're not going to lose weight. So, to sum it up, decreasing calorie intake will literally directly put you in a calorie deficit as long as your NEAT stays the same, or in other words, your daily energy expenditure, as long as that stays the same and you decrease your calorie intake by however many calories, it doesn't matter. If you decrease it from what you're eating right now, you will lose weight, you will burn body fat. And the last one, number 5, in my opinion, probably the most effective, other than just decreasing your calories, is doing cardio. Not only does it burn calories, but it is good for your health. And what's more important than your health, I really don't know. Just like decreasing your calorie intake, doing cardio will directly burn calories, which will directly put you in a calorie deficit. Calorie deficit means you will lose weight, burn body fat. The thing with cardio is, while you're burning calories, you're also, let's say, training your heart. Doing cardio is going to also make you a better burner, which means as you progress, you are going to always be getting better. And let's say you start off, you burn 100 calories on a 30-minute walk, but then you go again and you get faster, you walk at a faster pace, you might burn 150 calories, 200 calories, who knows. Cardio doesn't have to be going for a long run. You could just simply, like I said, go for a walk. Like, it's that easy. You're directly burning off calories, you're working on your heart, you're working on your health. The question really is, why aren't you doing cardio, right? Especially from someone who is in a situation where they want to lose body fat or lose weight, doing cardio is probably going to be the most effective way to burn fat. So let's bring everything full circle here. Number 1, eat more protein, higher thermic effect of food, going to burn off more calories through digestion. Number 2, drink more water, fills the stomach up, stretches the stomach, sends signals to the brain that you are full and you're not going to be as hungry and you're not going to eat as much. Number 3, eat more fiber. Same thing with protein. higher thermic effect of food, going to burn off more calories through digesting it as opposed to other macronutrients. Number 4, decrease your calorie intake. This is going to directly put you in a calorie deficit, causing you to lose body fat, lose weight. And number 5, do cardio to directly burn off calories as well as improve your overall health and strengthen the heart. At Will Tennyson, just because you can't see your heart doesn't mean you shouldn't train it, my boy. But with that being said, that concludes this video. I really hope I could help you guys out in some way. And if you guys have not already, please go check out Fishing Energy. You are going to love it, I promise. The flavors are great. You're going to be drinking more water, which is so important, especially if you're trying to lose weight or get a little bit leaner. Upping your water intake is going to help. And if you flavor your water, you're going to drink so much more water, I promise. I was drinking literally less than a gallon, and then I went literally over 2 gallons now. And I feel great all the time. I'm always hydrated. Just drinking more water keeps me fuller throughout the day. I'm currently dieting right now, and this has helped a ton. Like I said before, I really wouldn't be telling you guys to get this if I did not support it. So if you guys want to support me, you can use my code BENSAG10 to get your body fuel kit to get you guys all set up with this. It comes with 4 cartridges, like I said, this bottle, and you'll be all set. So I hope you guys can take something away from this video. If you're trying to lose weight, burn body fat, just get a little bit leaner, hope I could help. All of these things will help you burn body fat, but you need to be in a calorie deficit no matter what to lose weight, burn body fat. With that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed. If you learned something, please leave a like. It supports me. Comment for the algorithm. Any comment, honestly, yo, comment shredded. Comment shredded if you're here right now. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Putting out videos like this, giving you guys good information that is going to help you reach your fitness goals, whatever your goals are. I'm helping you out. Be sure to subscribe, stay a while. Hit that bell button so you always get notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.